This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Thursday morning. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, warm and dry. That's kind of a pattern we're in for a while.
Yeah, we got this weather map that does have this warm and dry pattern that's kind of blocked in here. And mostly that's due to the spinning low pressure that's been sitting over the southeast. And now we've got this tropical storm hurricane, the second one here in the last couple of weeks. It has coming on to the Florida shore, and then will be moving and just spinning over the southeast through the weekend. And then it is forecasted to move offshore of the Atlantic sometime early next week. So that's going to block up any systems coming from the west and northwest and leave us in this warmer than normal and dry pattern that we've been stuck in here for a couple of weeks now. Looks like we're going to see temperatures again similar to what we saw yesterday. They're going to warm in the middle to upper 80s and continue to warm a degree or two all the way through the weekend and topping out probably around that 90, lower 90s there on Sunday. Overnight low temperatures are still cool here this morning. We got temperatures of 55 degrees in Burlington and Goodland, where we got a southwest breeze at 10, where the winds have been more calm. In Oakley, we got 46, 49 in Oberlin, and we got 49 here in Atwood as well. Those morning temperatures are going to start off the next several nights in those middle 50s. Afternoon temperatures will be in those upper 80s, and the breezes most of the time will generally be from a south direction and light at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Then the change will come on Monday, Tuesday, when we actually got a trough that'll move through the northern plains on Monday. Tuesday it'll be in the Great Lakes region. That'll trail a cool front through here, and depending on the timing Monday when that comes through, we'll determine those temperatures on Monday. Right now we'll put them in the lower to mid 80s. If it comes earlier, it could be cooler. If it comes later, we could be up there in the 80s to near 90 again, and waiting till Tuesday before we have a shot of cooler air. However, it does look like on Tuesday will be temperatures in the 70s, which is seasonal for this time of year, that lower to mid 70s, and overnight lows in those lower 40s, maybe even upper 30s out there in Colorado. However, that's going to be short-lived, because we've got another system, or another high-pressure system that'll move in behind that. But computer models are suggesting another low and trough quickly behind that. With that secondary shot of cold air, we could see some 60-degree temperatures and those middle to upper 30s to end next week there on the 3rd and the 4th. And the other thing the computer did introduce was some scattered light rain showers. They would be light, in the form of, quarter inch, maybe 30 up to a half inch type rain. But it did show some snow with it out to the west. So that's going to be something that's on people's minds with these systems as we go further into October. And once we get the hurricane out of the way, maybe we'll see a pattern change and get some moisture. But now we're only seeing anywhere from a quarter to a half inch in the next 2 weeks.
Once again, that's Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ, I'm Joe Zurich.